Hello and welcome back to my morning chart analysis videos with me, which is Pair Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Thursday 10th of May. Looking at cable which has sort of moved sideways and consolidated and now broken the downtrend. It's interesting that sterling has embarked upon rallies against yen and against the Aussie and is now broken the downtrend against the dollar. Now, does that downtrend break necessarily mean anything more than a consolidation? That is the question. You sort of look at the fact that you've got an absolute bang-on doji candle there on yesterday's session. Very rare in Forex, which is a 24-hour traded market. Very rare to see a complete doji candle, but that is the case, and that sort of reflects the consolidation we're seeing on sterling at the moment. You're sort of seeing that sort of pulling the momentum indicator sideways, although the configuration is still negative. So unless you start to see traction to the upside, and that would be initially above 36 figure, which would be a 1 week high, and then sort of continuing to push on, you're not really going to see too much in the way of a recovery outlook. But here we see, as in on the hourly chart, 136 figure area was yesterday's high, and sort of breaking above that completes a small sort of base pattern, I suppose. You would then sort of get a measured target of around about sort of 110, 115 pips or so of recovery. And that puts you bang into position of 137.10, which was that old key March low. So a rally back towards that key March low, as in a pullback rally, could easily be seen now on a near-term basis. However, would that necessarily be sort of a level at which the market starts to stall at and then rolls lower? Will remains to be seen. However, near term, you are sort of stabilizing a little bit to a certain extent on the momentum indicator, so a potential rally could easily set in. This the reaction around 37.10 would be the key factor there if it did start to rally. So you've got UK Bank of England giving monetary policy today, and that's going to be a key factor for the sterling, but also you've got inflation for the US. So two big factors on cable which are going to play out and drive volatility, I think, today. And it's not really surprising that the market is sort of relatively flat in front of that, about 10 pips down on the day. But yes, I think we're looking out for those two key factors to drive the market this afternoon. Above 36 figure implies 37.10, breaking down below 34.80. You've got that January low of 34.55, and then 33 figure as the sort of a medium to longer term pivot coming as a support. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you later.